Hey, what's up? Welcome to AI for Marketers. I'm Sam and I'm here to help you level up your marketing game with the latest AI tool. Today we're diving into Gling, a game-changing software in video editing. If you edit videos, you probably know one of the most difficult and boring tasks of the process is cutting the raw video, right? Just eliminating those silences and just putting a fast-paced video in place. It's by far the most important part of the job because it makes the thing watchable. And honestly, if you ever had to cut a raw video of more than an hour or 2 hours, it's just a nightmare, especially if the subject doesn't know how to talk to a camera like me. So yes, if you're in 2024 and you're not using this software for cutting your raw videos, I just gotta tell you, you're a loser. No, I'm joking, of course. I just learned this tool like 2 days ago. But it does make the whole task different. Think about it. If you eliminate all the boring, repetitive work, even the one of, cutting silences, you now have space for much more creative work, therefore better videos. So basically, Gling is an AI tool that takes your raw footage and turns it into a polished, well-paced video. And in this video, we're gonna explain how to use it like a pro. So yeah, let's go to the task. Okay, so we're now in the Gling AI software. So what you have here is like the drag your videos place. You have your profile, billing, subscriptions, affiliate program, creator program, etc. So one of the features Gling has is that you can generate video ideas inspired by the activity you've had in the software or in your channel. If you connect your channel, if you have, for example, I have one of my channels here, you can generate more ideas based on the videos you've previously updated. For example, one of my channels is about rap music, so I have there like, here's potential ideas for your upcoming video. And it says the rise of Latin rap, how the new artists are dominating the scene, etc. So that's a great feature. But the most important one is the one that helps you cut all the silences and the things that are not in the script of your video. So here I have all the projects I've edited the last 10 days, right? This is videos of me talking in this same room. And now we're gonna edit the first part that you just saw, the intro of this video. Even though it was like 30 seconds, that raw footage is actually 13 minutes. The reason for that is that I'm not very good in camera and I didn't have a script. So I have it here. You're gonna make the untitled project. You can name it here. Let's say Sam AI Gling. There you go. The video spoken language is English. You can also add a script. If you had a script, like let's say that you recorded a video talking about, I don't know, features of iOS or something like that, and you had a script that you read for making the video, you can upload it to Gling, and then Gling's gonna show only the parts that are on the script. So if your raw footage is long, I recommend 100% using the script feature. We don't have a script here, so let's just use the general intelligence of Gling and continue. So you have here the ways that the software enhances your video. You have cut silences, remove silent moments from your video, cut bad takes, removes all the, almost good takes that you had. Jump cut some, like this feature I don't really use it. I prefer to add it myself when I'm editing. But if you want to, move like zoom, like it's happening right now in the camera, you can add it here in Gling. And also remove audio noise. Basically any background audio that your video has, this software can solve that too. I personally use the Adobe Enhanced Studio solution for that, so we're not gonna use it right now. But if you don't want to pay the Adobe part and the Gling part, I recommend just using the software. It's like all in one. So we're gonna cut bad takes and cut silences. Let's enhance and edit. It usually takes a while. If you have a script, it takes like probably 2-3 minutes. If you don't have a script, and I'm talking like in a raw video that's like an hour long. If you don't have a script, it probably takes then like 6-7 minutes. But like with all AI tools, it's improving a lot, and it probably, in 6 months, it's gonna take like 3 seconds for you to do all of this. You gotta understand that this software is first transcribing your video and then just cutting silences based on how well paced you want the video to be. So there you go. You have it here. You can show cuts and skip cuts. I usually just do skip cuts. I zoom out completely, and as you can see, like the main footage is like, I have it here, right? Like, hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? I usually repeat it so that I can, I can do it like more naturally. Hey, what's up? Welcome to AI for Marketers. Okay. And then you have the marketing game. I'm Sam and I'm here to Okay, then it didn't work there. Like that wasn't the part I liked. But here's the part I like, so I cut there. I'm Sam, and I'm here to help you level up your marketing game with the latest AI tool. There you go, right? So usually what I do is that you have here like split and paste. And paste button is super useful. What I do is that I apply, this depends on how fast paced you want your video to be, and also depends on your tonality. Let's say that you have an accent that says the words in an elongated way. For example, let's say that I speak like that. I don't want thing to cut my speech early because it doesn't sound natural. So what I set is my end pace into 0.2 seconds and my start I leave it in 0. So I apply it. I'm Sam, and I'm here to help you level up your marketing game with the latest AI tools. Right. Today, we're diving into Gling. Here is where is the real one, the one I want the most. It's usually at the end of the sentence, right? Like, cause you stop saying a sentence or a paragraph when the thing's done. So it's usually the last one. A game-changing software in video editing. There you go. Yeah. So here, I see that there's the boring task of the process is coding the raw video, right? All of these parts I can just erase. There, just cut it. With a script it's way faster, but like, you know, this is taking me like 10 minutes, right? Like before that, before transcribing tools and before having this type of software, this task would usually like take me probably an hour or probably like 40 minutes. And that's for someone that's experienced in editing videos, right? With Gling, like anyone can do this whole process. By the way, in the description, there's a link to Gling AI. That link is an affiliated link with AI for marketers. And if you subscribe to that link, you're gonna get the updates of Gling way faster. So whenever they're gonna release a new feature or improve the software, you're gonna get all of that probably like 2 weeks or a month even before every other user of Gling. And also you support the channel, so thanks. Let's keep going though. And also, like when you don't have a script, you don't know what you're talking about. Like you're usually improvising, right? So it's good to have this tool because it lets you like improvise and be more natural in front of the camera. Or I'm gonna show you how to export it. Like here's you have the AI assistant, of course. You can copy the whole script. You can see the chapters. You can see the files you have. You can add another file. Great. You can also do like 25.25 speed, etc. Right? You can search in the script. And something that's pretty cool is that you can export this in different formats. You can export it in video, MP4, in audio, MP3, also for Adobe Premiere, for DaVinci Resolve, and for Final Cut. I just use video. And Gling AI and save it. And usually it exports it in like, you know, it depends, right? If it's like a long video, 10 minutes, usually like every editing software. It really does make a difference, and in my opinion, this is by far the best software for this task. This type of workflow will probably be integrated in the future to Final Cut or Adobe Premiere, but at the moment it saves a lot of time. You can download it for free, but it has a watermark. So I do recommend getting the Plus plan. It's like $10 a month. And it's like very useful. Overall, Gling is fantastic. Now I need you to help me with something. Every day we're explaining, reviewing, or doing a tutorial in a new AI tool. It's basically me trying to level up my marketing skills and sharing with you guys all the things I learned. So what would be super helpful is you subscribing. Nothing else, just subscribe, please. See you tomorrow.